as I think you said it earlier, Mike, it's really the combination of the username, which is usually super easy to guess because, well, it's our name.
Or on a business card.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
And our password, that's that first line of defense. Are we ever going to get to a place where we just don't use passwords anymore, since they are the thing that's compromised over and over and over?
Yeah, we're definitely seeing an escalation. It was always the case that passwords were phishable, or if you wrote them down, somebody could, or shoulder surfing, all of the classic things. Yeah. They're just intrinsically something that you can accidentally give away. And so what we're seeing now is the tokenization of access. So we're starting to tokenize things, and at the point where we're carrying around a literal computer in our pocket that has a biometric reader on it, it's fairly low-hanging fruit to see that the phone be used as that, or even crazy things like, hey, can I use my fancy car key that I pushed the button and I said, can I use that as my token to sign into my accounts for my my social media and for my shopping and things of that nature. So we are seeing a vast change, and a lot of that also is based on the fact that we need trust in the internet now. There's so much misinformation that we're starting to see that, for one person to be able to trust another person, we need to move away from passwords that are just so easy to compromise. And then we're also seeing kind of an escalation in the types of MFA that's available as well, and I'm certain we'll talk about that some more too.